Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to manage Save Login on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can manage the Save Login on your Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage your Save Login on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram application, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then in here, tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into your Instagram profile. And then in here, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap it, choose the settings and privacy. And then select here under your account this account center. And then in here, under account setting, tap on this password and security. And then in here, under the login and recovery, you'll see the save login. Tap on it. And then in here, under the login and recovery, you'll see save login. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see here your save login information. And then in here, you can manage it. As you can see, you can turn off the save login and you can also turn on the save mobile number. When save login is turned on, will remember your account info for you on this device. You won't need to enter it when you log in again. And if save mobile number is turned on, will remember this phone number on your device. This will help you access and verify this account or any account associated with this phone number in the future without an SMS code. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage save login on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage the save login on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.